Is the dune next to the ocean?
Yes, baby.
Oh, wow.
On the sides, and then you rise the hill, and you don't go on the top. When you rise the hill, you go on your right where there is the forest, and you will see I'm sitting there with a view on the ocean and on that beautiful island. You cannot miss me, I think, because I have the yellow stuff on my head to protect myself.
This is so interesting because this reminds me of the dunes in Brazil, and exactly this path I'm taking reminded me of one I took when I was in Jogo, I think, many years ago. But this is in France. Like, it's about to get a bit intense. Look at that. I'm gonna put out my camera because this is beautiful. Okay, let's rise up. Look at that. Incredible. So much sun. And then you have the ocean on this side. Isn't that amazing? Look at that. I don't know if you can see properly, but the light is amazing. Let's see. I found her at the top, of course. I have to climb up again. At least I found her here, but I think it's Delphie.
Maman, les photos que tu m'as envoyées? T'entendais quoi? Les photos, mais je t'entends. J'entends. Mais c'est toi qui n'entends pas. Oui. Tu entends? Tu m'entends? Let me put in my position of psychotherapy.
Yes. Annoying.
Yeah. I'm ready.
You ready?
23.
23? Try again.
33. I'm ready for 33.
You better be. Because it's a decade away from 23.
No, not 23. I'm done with them. I'm ready for 33.
Yeah.
And all it have to. I went through the chaos.
Yeah.
I learned.
Yeah.
And now I'm ready
To rise again.
for the bloom.
The blue. Ooh. Delphine in bloom?
Delphine in bloom.
This video will play when we say one day, oh, thinking about a younger day. This much. Because we'll be much older.
Days come and everything that happens from now. This is pouring rain. This is paralyzed.
Okay. Oh, wow.
I keep throwing
Oh,
the
wow.
dark.
Someone is living out their childhood dream. With the... Okay, not the afro, right?
No.
We still have some limits. Well done, you did it.
I'm a grown-up woman. I know where to stop. Where to draw the limit.
And it's hard to
Well done, I would be worried. How steep that is. Like you almost feel like you could fall off the edge and disappear into the forest, but then you see. Yeah, it's a beautiful green. And then their house is up there, not bad. And this is the national park on this side. Yeah, let's not. Clean trying to get rid of all the sand from the dune. That's where we're gonna sleep for the night. Just need to find a place to park our car.
Let's go.
Well, I've been twisting to the sun and the moon. I needed to replace the fountain and the front yard.
Today is Delphine's birthday. She's 33 years old. And we're gonna have a little lunch here. We slept in our car, not over here with our car. But now we're having a little lunch that we're making. Finally getting to use our camping equipment besides the caravan. We're gonna have a salad. And then we also made something extra here, like rice with mushrooms, so we're gonna be well fed. Yeah.
Oh, that's
Happy birthday!
Oh,
And you thought there would be no cake.
that's so cute.
Oh baby, you also had a letter. Where's the letter?
It's in the back of the car behind the your seat.
It's trying to write the little cakes for birthday. Huh?
I'm going to do it
Like you can't do the file.
by myself.
Yes. Go for it. Well done. Happy birthday! Pew 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 pew.
Really an inner.
Yeah, enough. What's that? Oh, wow. Look at that. Huh?
I think it's a homemade card.
I think it's a homemade card
Happy
of
birthday,
birth.
Delphine. Much love from all of us.
Yeah.
Me and Simon, Becky. Baby, what's that? Oh! Someone did drop something. What? Even the fairies are giving you presents. It's not. What an actor.
Huh?
What an actor.
What could that be? Oh, wow. Flowers.
There is flower. Well done.
Did you see this cute? Oh, it
Oh.
matches the.
It matches the bag. Baby, it can only be my favorite.
Oh no, it's true. What a deception.
What
This
is
a
that?
risk, okay?
Okay, baby. Don't take it away from my hands.
Like, yeah, you like it?
Oh yeah, it's nice.
Okay, good, because I was not sure you would like it.
Oh yeah, I like it. That's really nice. Let me try it. Yeah.
Look at you! Ooh. What? What do you feel? Oh, I love it. I love the color. Look, hey, oh. Oh, she's becoming dangerous.
It's nice, huh?
Yeah, you like it?
Yeah.
Oh, it fits with your necklace so beautifully. Yeah.
Yeah, it's really good, baby. Yeah, like really beautiful. I like the color, the flowers. It's so soft. Yeah. And at the same time, it's bright.
Yeah, right?
I like that.
Okay, good.
And you know, and also the thing is that it's just another day.
Yeah.
So it's not like if the feeling was like, oh my god, like it feels like actually feel like this continuously. I don't
But something that so you felt like
Let me get the camera.
oh my god, that fly was biting me. Hello, hello, hello. Oh, there we are. So we are on our way to a town nearby to celebrate Delphine's birthday with a little dinner. There she is, the birthday girl. Still shining bright like a diamond. And we are looking as lovely as two people who slept there. But actually,
It wasn't so bad.
it wasn't so bad. I was really surprised, but it wasn't so bad. And we've been meaning to do this, like have a proper car camping moment, because with the caravan you can't do a lot of wild camping. And last year we tried wild camping with the tent, and we were using Delphine's mom's little car. So when we bought the car, we wanted to make sure that it was a car that could also do a bit of wild camping, but we hadn't tested out yet. So Delphine was really eager that we give it a go this time, and it's been really nice. Like, it's really spacious back there. Also, I've consumed
300 mètres, tournez à droite.
sorry, it's Tom Tom. Also, I've consumed a lot of car vlogs over the years, so it's nice to see, okay, actually you can really make it work. It's not as comfortable as a caravan or maybe a van, but it does do the job. And there's something nice about being able
Tournez à
to
droite.
tourner à droite. There's also something really nice just being able to not even pack up and go, just go. Like the fact that if we want to go somewhere, we're going to go to town and have dinner, we just leave and we don't have to pack up anything. It's kind of like, yeah, why we also wanted to have a caravan and a car, that feeling of you can just go when you need to go, but you also have the stability of having a caravan, like a home somewhere. But now the caravan is parked somewhere else, and the fact that we can use the car as our home and our vehicle at the same time, it gives us a bit of a feeling of if we had chosen more van life or van tripping. But in a smaller way, in a much smaller way. I'm not sure I would like it as much if I was doing it in winter or if it was raining, but the weather's actually quite perfect to do it, so why not give it a go? We're gonna go have some dinner and then find our camping spot for the night. We're only doing 2 nights, so more than enough for trying out this adventure, and then hopefully in the future do a bit more. Yeah, that's it.
In another place you would be mine, mine. On a brighter day, under a different sky, maybe we'd fly.
You're not intrigued. Ooh, let's not have that for the queen of the day. Let's go feed the queen. Look at you, huh? right in
time
pink
with the right
and beige and all the colors.
one. You think you're trying too hard, but you can't save me from myself. No, you can't save me from myself.
Yeah, it's really cool. I like this one, the pink one.
I keep reminding myself I wasn't here for the fun. Just cause it seemed like we could.
You like
Did it
it?
really mean that we cared? I didn't run from the truth. I was just keeping it real.
How did you explain that to me?
Ceviche?
Yeah?
Like it's a raw fish that is kind of like cooked with like the lemon, if I remember well.
I have just your lips.
Huh?
I have just your lips because it's so close.
And they put some cocoa milk,
Yeah?
coriander, chia seeds, pumpkin seeds, and
And I got a potato, like a proper potato.
proper potato. Yeah, for sure. This is. What is she looking? What is she looking?
I'll touch the fire for you. I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I told it like killed up, babe. I do it. All of them around are scared to do. I'm not. It's
like a little coastal
I
town.
got it. My bin scheming, looting, hide your bodies. Long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. For the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You're just so important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with
Very pretty
you.
propaganda for my life.
I can't just snooze and miss the moment. You're just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. In a drop top drive with you, I feel like Scarface. Like the white girl with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Let me mind you, I'm not violent, I'm your day one. We ain't have shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. How's it go when you're not here? I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You're just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose
Those ladies did have so much fun. They were a good advertisement for why you should drink alcohol. That could dance to every song.
In that super loud volume.
It was so loud, but then after my ears got used to it, funny enough. So today's our last day living in the car. We just had 2 nights here, and I just wanted to quickly show you the setup. Maybe I could show in a different way. Like, we had enough space to, it's nice to have the window up for light, but also still staying discreet. And then we just had like a little corner of stuff to. Yes, it was really nice. Like, we went out for dinner. We had the birthday, of course, picnic here. And then we went out for dinner. And then we went out for drinks. And there was like this band called Chuck and John, or John and Chuck. And I don't know if they were Spanish, but they really drew us in with their energy. And we ended up going there and listening to music and even danced at the last song. It was really cool. So far we've been having fun. Delphie is back with her coffee, and I'm going to get ready as well and leave.
On va tourner à gauche, deuxième sortie. Puis, tournez à droite.
Paladay basang-basa ang kita ba'y damang-dama sa aking kalam ng punong-puno ng pananabik at ng kabalalim sa aking bawat paghinga nakatitig lamang sa iyo. Naglakad ka ng dahan-dahan sa Pasilyo tungo sa altar ng simbahan. Hahagan at di ka bibitawan, wala na kong mahihiling pa. Ikaw at ikaw.
Let's go somewhere else.
Ikaw at
You look just in time, baby.
Di maikukumpara araw-araw kong dala-dala paboritong panalangin ko'y makasama ka sa pagtanda. Ang hiling sa Diyos na